Jillian, don't run her into the cabinet.
I didn't. I ran myself in the cabinet.
Okay, well you two be careful. Ouch.
Whoa! What? Oh, no.
Is she getting tired? Are you getting tired? Oh, Gracie, let her get up. How long could y'all do this?
30 hours.
Uh-huh. Why aren't you doing this out?
Oh,
Why?
I did myself.
Why aren't you doing this outside?
I can.
What?
It's not an outside toy.
Well, but what's the weather like?
Raining still.
Bummer. No, will she fetch it?
No, she'll only play like this.
Okay. Well,
Bye.
bye. Y'all have fun now.